Scan It, Try It Like It, Create It. And I was just unboxing this pack I got from, well, it says Maker Forte on it, but it really came from Hedge Hog Hollow, which is basically the same people. And this was a promotion that they were sending out free. It was 4 ink pads, the ink stamps, or the stamps that are called, they're not ink, they're watercolor splashes is the name of the set. This is a 6x8 stamp set, and then it came with a spray bottle as well for misting. Now, one thing I want to point out is that opening up your ink pads, they have leached out some liquid. So I haven't even opened them up yet, and I cleaned off the outside of the ink pads because I was getting ink on my fingers. So I want to point that out to you. And then I'm really glad that we've got these back because they are so juicy, and I thought we could just do a fun little stamp together doing a color wheel. Now my yellow here seems to have some red pitting on the top of it. I'm not sure. It's not coming off though on the stamp, so I think we're going to be okay. And I'm just going to stamp over here on this side. I know I'm in the corner of what you're seeing here, but there is the red, excuse me, the yellow. These are 3 rather primary colors. I don't know if they're perfectly primary with each other, but we're going to see here by stamping them over each other. So that was Yellowstone. This one is Bubblegum, and I'm just going to go around the lid on this too because there is ink coming off on that. So pick up the circle. Ooh, sticky, sticky, sticky. I may have to dry this off first because I don't know. I can't tell if I'm getting a great coverage or not, so I'm going to dry this stamp and then go into the bubble gum. But I will say, and this one doesn't seem to be really getting much color at all. It's very light. So this one may have dried out already. Unfortunate. But there we are, and we're getting a nice orange. I'll have to look and see. Look what's happening here on the stamp pad itself. Interesting. So we may have to do something about that one. I may have that color already, so I'll go look in my stash and see. And then this one is Neon Lights. And once again, I'm gonna, where's my wet baby wipe? I'm gonna go around the edge here because these just really seem to be leaching. And I'll wipe that one off. Go in and pick up the blue. Maybe we'll get better luck. Oh, it looks pretty light as well. So, I don't know. Maybe they were free because the quality of the ink pad. I don't know. And I know that Hedge Hog Hollow doesn't have control over where these were stored. She was able to buy them back from whoever had them after they went out of business. But look at that nice color combinations there. I mean, we're making green between the blue and the yellow, and we've got an orange between the red, and you could slightly see here a purple happening, and then we've got kind of a brown in the center. So they are mixing well. However, 2 out of 3 of the pads are not as moist, or maybe they don't have as much ink in them as one would hope. So there are my results from working with this packet that I just received.